Hi, this is John with Bank Account Bonus Central, and today's video is all about Bank of America. They have a huge $1,000 checking account bonus. This is a record offer bonus, and this is a nationwide offer. So, super excited to be able to share this bonus with you. Before we get into too many details, I do have a quick disclaimer. So, I am a customer of Bank of America. I'm not affiliated by them, I'm not endorsed by them. This is my own personal review for informational purposes only. All the information is correct as of the time of this recording, and all the screenshots are from their website. So, do have a $3 million challenge for the year 2023. Want to help at least 1,000 people get at least $3,000 from these videos in 2023. If you can appreciate profitable content like this on a consistent basis, do me a favor, hit this video with a huge thumbs up. Definitely appreciate that. So, shout out to the Credit Cousin. Definitely appreciate friend of the channel. Appreciate you, brother. All right, moving along. So this is a slide from an old video. With the Fed raising interest rates, this year has become like a kid in a candy store. SoFi, Ally, Citi, and Capital One all were offering $1,000 bonuses. Huge bonuses, but they're much different now than they were back then. So back then, um, SoFi, I took advantage of this one. It's for new and existing customers, or new and used customers, up to $1,025 bonus. The thing with this one is that you needed to put in $100,000 and you got a $1,000 bonus. If you're curious to see what this bonus was like, I do have a link to this old video up here. Old as in like March of this year. And then Capital One took advantage of this one as well. So took the money straight out of SoFi and then moved it straight over to Capital One. Moved 100,000 into this one. So talking about $1,050 checking and savings account bonus, limited time offer. So if you're curious to see what that one was all about, was there. So I got 2,000 for these two bonuses, but I had to move 100,000 in. So there's that. Talking about big bonuses like this, do have a huge offer in the credit card world. M1 Finance. I am an affiliate for M1 Finance, huge credit card for the year 2023, where you can get up to $2,400 in cash back per year. If that's something you're interested in, check out this video here. All right, moving back to bank bonuses. So this is what we have here for the Bank of America, eligible for a cash bonus of $1,000. Now it's only $30,000 or more in qualifying deposits within 30 days of opening the new eligible business checking account and maintain the minimum average balance in the business checking account for the next 60 days. So the SoFi and the Capital One $1,000 bonuses, you had to have the money there for, I believe, 60 days as well. So this is a much lower requirement. So this is available nationwide and expires December 31, 2023. So still have time to make this one happen. Here is the link to this offer, promotions.bankofamerica.com. And then the promo code is SSPCIS. I have a QR code to this link. I have a link in the description box down below, or you could always email me at churningadventures@gmail.com, and I'll get back to you if you would like a copy of this link. This is just their link off their website. I'm not affiliated with them. I don't get anything for you clicking on the link. So when you click on the link here, here's what it shows. A business checking account gives you the tools you need to move your business forward. Digital tools, small business specialist, secure banking, preferred rewards for business. Earn a cash bonus in 3 steps. Open up the eligible business checking account by December 31, 2023. Make qualifying deposits of $30,000 or more in new money within 30 days of opening the new business checking account. Maintain the average balance of $30,000 or more for the next 60 days. So basically, you have 30 days to get the money in, and then from day 31 to day 90, don't touch it. After day 90, it's gonna soon after it's gonna grow by $1,000. Your 30,000 is gonna turn into 31,000. Qualifying deposits are new money, which is money not currently or previously held in any account at Bank of America or Merrill. The maintenance period begins 31 days. Yeah, I just went over that. So there is that. So there's 2 different flavors of the checking account. Business Advantage Fundamentals Checking. So this one's got either $16 or 0 monthly fee. That's the only thing I really look at. And to get the 0 monthly fee, because I'm all about 0 monthly fees instead of paying them. You need to maintain at least 5,000 combined average bonus, or spend 250 in new net purchases on your business debit card, or become a member of preferred rewards for business. First 4 checking accounts per enrolled business. So if you need to have 30,000 in there anyway, so 5,000 is not a big deal. So basically, you can put in the 30 grand after day 91, reduce it down to 5,000 so you don't get any $16 fee. Once you snag your bonus, move all the money out and then close the account out. There's the upgraded version of Business Advantage Relationship Banking. It's either $29.95 or 0 monthly fee. And to have that fee waived, you need to have at least 15,000 combined average balance, or become a member of Preferred Rewards for Business. So either way, you'll be able to get through with this since you need to have at least 30,000 in the account. About applying line, here's what you need to have: business formation date, country and state of legal formation, U.S. only, your personal identification, social security number, date of birth for everyone who's got at least 25% ownership, legal business name and DBA if you doing business as, your tax ID, TIN or EIN or social security number for sole prop. So after your application is complete, you'll receive confirmation email within a couple hours. Application decisions are often immediate. We'll let you know if there's additional information required. You can fund your account while applying by using a debit card, transferring money order, or writing a check. Once your account is open, you will receive your checks and debit card in approximately 7 to 10 business days. So debit card does mean debit card. You can't do anything with a credit card funding with Bank of America. So here is what that is. Preferred rewards, you get a 25 to 75% points boost, which is pretty nice. Here is the fine print on this. So this is what makes this YMMV. Your mileage may vary. This offer is only available to business owners who receive this offer through a direct communication from a Bank of America specialist or from a Bank of America communication. Well, it's on their website, and I would assume, keyword assume, that a Bank of America communication would be on their website. So YMMV, your mileage may vary whether or not as to you will get the bonus or not. So this is not my promotional. This is just what's on their website. So this has been, people have gotten the bonus before from similar type things when the offer was on their website. So just saying that. So when you hit the when you hit the button to open up the account, first it says enter your zip code. And then before you apply, so I applied for the cheap one, the $16 a month. I got the didn't want their credit card. My minimum threshold is $500. This thing they only offer $300, and I'm not really that. It's got to be at least $500, so I didn't want their business credit card, even though I have had it before where they offered $500. So log in, save time. Are you currently a Bank of America client? Yes, I am. You're applying for a Business Advantage Fundamentals account. Are you authorized to open financial accounts for my business? Yes. I put that I'm sole prop, but put whatever works for you. There's 5 separate steps in order to get in. If you click, do you have an offer code? I click yes. Well, if you click this button, it checks, it automatically plugs in the code. So received by mail, email, or at a Bank of America event. Well, I don't know what you'd call a Bank of America event. Seeing it on their website, to me, would be a Bank of America event, but nonetheless, YMMV. Your mileage may vary as to actually getting the bonus, as nothing is guaranteed in this world. It's called fishing and not catching. So hit continue. Tell us about your business, business legal name, your tax ID number. I put in my social security number as I am a sole proprietor. Date business was established. What industry best describes your business? Country of formation must be U.S., United States. Country of primary business operations. Purpose of this checking account, I put general business operations. What's the source of funds? Providing services or selling product. Do you provide money services? Nope. Do you engage in internet gambling? Nope. Is this business operating as a charity or non NGO, non-government organization? Nope. Do you conduct business outside the U.S.? Again, no. So you have to have at least one signer. That's me. Hit continue. Funding and preferences. I hit fund later since you can only use a debit card, and I'm not a huge fan of that. To opt into paperless statements, perfectly fine. And then preferred rewards for business. I was not interested in that right now. You have to have at least 20,000 combined balances. Once I actually do open this, then I probably will. So hit continue with that. Then you have to play with all the documents and statements, e-communications, consent. There's a bunch of consents, and then once you're ready to hit the button, you hit submit. I did not hit submit. I got all the way through to the end. I'm still waiting for some CDs to cash out to where I'll have 30,000 liquid because everything I have is tied up in CDs. So power ranking this bonus. So $1,000. Ooh, I forgot to change that. It's $1,000 sign up bonus. That's more than 501. So that's max points there. You need to keep the funds from day 31 to 60. I'm sorry, 31 to 90. So you got to keep the money in there at least 2 months. So I'll call it somewhere between 2 to 3 months to get the bonus. That's 2 points. So if you're looking at an APY, just keeping the money, you get it there the day before, you take it out the day after. That's a 20% APY return on funds. So just keeping it there for exactly 60 days. So that's 4 points there. So you have a total of 4, 5, 6, 12. That's 12 points, which is an A rating on the Bank Account Bonus Central power ranking system. I use math to do power ranking and not feelings. So what throws this one off is that it is a $1,000 bonus, which is huge, and it only requires 30,000 in funding as opposed to 100,000, which is what the Ally and the SoFi and Capital One and others they required. So it's a much easier way to get a huge bonus. So Bank Account Bonus Central verdict on this. This is a huge offer from Bank of America. It used to be you needed to put in 100K to get a 1K bonus, but now it's been reduced down to 30K. Why MMV on this offer? As some of the terms are kind of vague. I will most likely take advantage of this after I have some CDs mature, which will happen in the next couple of weeks. So I still have comments off for these videos, but if you have any questions, comments, concerns, complaints, or criticisms, hit me up, churningadventures@gmail.com. And today's question, whatever happened to what's called Doubting Thomas? Is he still doubting? Not so much. Thomas, called one of the twins of the called the twin, one of the 12. Not sure who was a twin of. Maybe he looked like Jesus, or maybe he looked like somebody else. Not quite clear. Was not with them when Jesus came back after he was resurrected, crucified. The other disciples therefore said to him, "We have seen the Lord." So Thomas said to them, "Unless I see his hands and in his hands the print of the nails, and put my finger into the print of the nails, and put my hand into his sides, I will not believe." After 8 days, his disciples were again inside. Thomas was with them this time. Jesus came inside. The doors being shut, and stood in the midst and said, "Peace be to you." Then he said to Thomas, "Reach your finger here and look at my hands. Reach your hand in here. Put your hand in my side. Don't be unbelieving, but believing." Thomas said to him the most true statement of all Scripture, "My Lord and my God." Jesus said to him, "Thomas, because you've seen me, you have believed. Blessed are those who have seen me yet still believe." So that is an amazing statement. Doubting Thomas is no longer doubting because Jesus gave him proof. So there is that. That's one thing that's changed my life. Jesus definitely showed himself to me to be real. He's changed my life. Additional information about this, gotquestions.org, link in the description box down below. If you're still here with me, definitely appreciate that. Like the video if you appreciate profitable content on a consistent basis. Share this with anybody who would be able to benefit from it. Subscribe with bell notifications so you could be amongst the first to learn about such profitable opportunities. And with this, look forward to seeing you in the next one. Appreciate it, and may God bless you. Peace.